Hi guys, it's Charlotte here from Hills to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom property here on Parrin Lane in Monton. Let's go and take a look inside. So as we enter the property, we've got this lovely welcoming entrance hallway, which leads on nicely into the open plan living space. So at the front of the property, we have this really well presented living room, nice big bay window there letting in lots of light. And as we spin round, we've got a fantastic dining room space as well. As we come on through, we've got this fantastic modern fitted kitchen with an array of wall and base units. We've got space for washing machine, integrated cooker and hob, and also space for your fridge freezer. And then just through here we have a small utility space, which then leads on into the back garden, which on a day like this, when the sun does make an appearance, it does also benefit from the sun here at the back of the property. As you can see now, as the sun just comes out, got a nice patio area and seating area. So I'll head on upstairs and show you the 3 bedrooms. As I said, the property is on Parrin Lane, just in Eccles here, walking distance into Monton. Very popular part of town at the moment, perfect for first time buyers, or if you're looking for an investment, or if you just are looking to move to the area. So up here we've got 3 bedrooms. The back here is the smallest, but as you can see, it is a really good sized 3rd bedroom, currently used as an office space. Then we have the modern fitted bathroom here, with bath with a shower over. Then on into the 2nd bedroom, which is a fantastic sized double room. And then finally at the front of the property, we have this fantastic, spacious and airy master bedroom. Fantastic there with the two big windows. Just spin around so you can see. Really nice space. If you are interested in taking a look at this property, do give the office a call and we shall arrange a viewing. Thank you.